In this video, I'll show how a part is loaded onto the back bolt fixture plate and how to load the fixture plate in the McChine Vise. Okay, let's get going. To start, I bring the back bolt fixture plate and some 832 cap screws over to the computer where I have the CAM model open of the part I am making. I look at the CAM model to see which hole locations need cap screws and add them to those locations from the top of the fixture as shown. The screws are added to the top so that the row letter and column numbers are visible. Next, I turn the fixture plate over to see the backside pocket of the fixture plate. Now, using a cap screw, push out each cap screw from the back side, leaving the pushing cap screw in place. Taking the part stock that was machined in the first operation, check to make sure there are no burrs on the nesting surfaces. Now, turn the fixture on its side. Match up the clocking mark on the part with the clocking mark on the side of the fixture. Move the part into position over the screws. It is easiest to line up the cap screws with the two locating posts that have tapped holes. Start the screws and pull the part into the fixture. Stop if the part doesn't want to start into the 1/875 diameter locating holes easily to avoid damaging the back bolt fixture plate or the 0.186 diameter post. Things to check. 1. Check that the clocking marks match. 2. Check the diameter of the 1/86 diameter post on the part. 3. Check the bolt placement with the CAM model. Secure all screws until snug. I usually tighten them by feel, about a quarter turn past hand tight. If you use a torque wrench, tighten to 14 inch-pounds. If threading into plastic, just tighten enough to pull the part down. If you tighten too much, the threads will strip out in plastic. To load the back bolt fixture plate with part into the vise, you will need two parallels. For a visual check, the clocking mark should be on the left-hand side. Set the back bolt fixture plate on the parallels with the locating pin on the side of the back bolt fixture plate towards the solid jaw. Then slide the back bolt fixture plate pin to where it butts up against the solid jaw. Now tighten the vise and seat the back bolt fixture plate to the parallels using a dead blow hammer. Check that the parallels do not move by pushing each parallel. In this video, we have demonstrated the process of loading the part onto the back bolt fixture plate and loading the fixture plate into the McChine Vise. For more information on the back bolt fixture plate system and how to use it, or to purchase one, please visit McChine.com and like and subscribe for more videos.